Hey, what's going on? I'm thinking since we're organizing here, I'm going to go ahead and fire up this other 454, just to get the status of it. I did recheck. This does have the 049 heads on there, which is the better heads. So let's get busy. I was cleaning up around here, getting all the debris off of here. I sat in the guy's garage for a while, and she can't see down in there, but looks like mud daubers got on the carburetor, and it's full of like those little dirt doodads in the front and the back. So I think I'm just going to take this carburetor off and clean it out. Okay, I'll make sure there's no debris in there before we start turning it over. So. A bunch of crud down there. The Elderbrock 2.0, looks like a dual plane intake manifold on here. We'll have to look that up and see what that's all about. Not familiar, but cool. Keep going. I'm digging all this extra space. This is the first time I've seen the clip on that car. Pretty badass. And I'm about tired of looking at that, let's see, that crashed up fender, quarter panel. We need to get that fixed. I'm tired of looking at that. All right, let's see if we get turnage. Do or die. $110. That's not good. 30 on that one. That's 120. Coffee today. Now we got oil pressure, the lines start leaking. Got 30 pounds. The first time I tried it, it was 0, and then it was 30. So I think if, it might come around. We'll squirt some stuff in there. All the other cylinders are running 120, so we will squirt some stuff in there, kind of turn it around, see if we can. Should sell fire, and maybe it'll break the crud out. Letting it soak. It's always a battle. tighten it up in there a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, I should probably let that soak a little longer. Guess it could be cleaning those points up. Clean that carburetor up a little bit. All right, I guess we can see if we got spark. Got the jumper hooked up. Shoot, yeah, we got spark. Here goes nothing. I put some 4x4s underneath this stand. It's a little, skinny. And I'm just gonna see if it just fires. And I may put some straps on there so we don't, I don't want to go too primitive Pete here. Yeah. Let's do that one more time. I do have that other 454. Let's try filling up the bowl. Let's give her some mustard. Not too bad. All right, well, we got it to run. I don't know if we're going forwards or backwards. Still having a problem here with the number 6 cylinder. After letting it run a little bit, I didn't want to get too, carried away with it. I just wanted to get some juices flowing on there. And I rechecked compression on there, was up to 50. Not great. I mean, right direction, but, I don't have big hopes. So we'll go ahead and, put some mystery pookie in there, and then we'll go through the motions, but That's where it is. Hey, next Friday and Saturday, I'm going to be at the Paid Swap Meet at Texas Motor Speedway up there in Fort Worth. So if anybody is up there and they see me walking around, come up and say what's up. And that'd be cool. Hopefully we'll find some good deals up there and some of the parts that we need. So I'll probably make a video of me walking around there. There's always a bunch of cool, super cool stuff out there. Once again, I appreciate everybody watching, and thanks to all the new subscribers. Really do appreciate it. It helps the channel out a lot. So, until next time, we'll catch you on the next video.